Starting now.
How many Yoders are there? As you know, if you've been watching our videos, even though I've been around the logging industry most of my life, I really don't know all the lingo. So when Rob's not around to ask questions, I get on the internet and do what I can to find out and make sure I use the right expressions. Well, I found 3 things that are called Yoders. Of course, there's the logging run, there's the barbecue one, and then the third one I found was pretty funny, but I wasn't going to share it, but Rob thinks I should. If you want to make a guess what you think the third Yoder is, go ahead and go to the description down below and write your comment. Pause this, I'll wait. According to the Urban Dictionary, Yoder means to spend an extremely long time, 30 plus minutes, on the toilet having a bowel movement. This could be due to not eating enough fiber or trying to avoid work for an extended period of time. How about that? When you're moving big machines, all you can do is say a prayer, keep your fingers crossed, and hope that it's a smooth day. Rob was out by himself on a Saturday and lost one of these machines off a trailer, but it didn't hurt anything and he just dingled around and got it back on. From now on, when he has to go out by himself, I'm going with him. He needs somebody there in case something bad does happen. Most of these places where the guys are, there isn't any cell service. never had to see Rob do this more than twice, except there was one day and in a couple of videos on down the line. You're going to see that even a guy like Rob with lots of experience can have a rough day.
I don't think you're in there far enough. That did it!